Today we are going to see that how we can draw a DFA. As we all know, we have 5 tuples in finite automata: states, alphabet, transition, initial state and final state. And suppose we have alphabet 0, 1 and we need to define a DFA for a word in which number of zeros are odd. Then what will be the language? In language we have either 0 or 000 or 50 and so on. Because number of zeros should be odd, or 1 can be before 0, any number, or any number of 1 can be after 0, or in between of zeros any number of ones can be there. So how we can draw it? Initially we take Q0, which is the initial state. We can define it like this, and we move from Q0 to Q1 with 0 transition. So we will get 1 0, and if we need 3 zeros, then we will take another transition from Q1 to Q0. We will get another 0, and then again we will move from Q0 to Q1 for another 0. So in that way we will get 3 0. Because here we write like 2 circle on Q0. Why? Because we make Q1 as a final state. That's why every time we need to end the transition at Q1. So if we move from Q0 to Q1 one time, then we will get 1 0, and if we move 2 times, then we will get 3 0, and if we move 3 times, 0 0 0 0 0, then we will get 5 0. So in that way, whenever we move from Q0 to Q1 either 1 time, 2 times, 3 times or 4 times, we will always get the odd number of zeros, because we need to control here odd number of zeros. But as we have alphabet 0 1 and we do not need to control over 1, so we can make a move. We can make a loop of 1 on Q0, and we can make a loop of 1 on Q1 also. So either it can run or it cannot run. It is just like a star. It is just like a star in which we have 0 value, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value and so on. So either it can move or it cannot move. Either if it will move, then we can get, suppose like 1 0 or 1 0 1 0 1 0, like this also. Or if it will not move, then we can get only 0 also. So we need to control over only 0 values, not on 1 values. So that's why we make a loop on Q0 and we make a loop on Q1 of 1. So before 0 it can be any number of zeros, after 0 it can be any number of, before 0 it can be any number of ones, and after 0 it can be of any number of ones, and in between of zeros it can be any number of ones. There is no problem in it, but our number of zeros always will be odd with this automata or with this DFA. So what we will have states? We have states Q0 and Q1, Q0 and Q1. Q0 is initial state and Q1 is final state. And what we have? Alphabet 0 1. What is the transition? Transition is from Q0 to Q1 we have 0 transition, and Q0 to Q0 only we have 1, and Q1 to Q0 we have 0 transition, and Q1 to Q1 we have 1 transition. And one important thing I need to clarify here, that in DFA from every state only once we can do a transition of each string. So here we can say there is a 1 transition for 1 and 1 transition for 0 for Q0 state, and from Q1 state there is 1 transition for 1 and 1 transition for 0. So this is the primary condition of DFA, that from every state there can be only single transition for every string which is defined in alphabet. So now move to the another DFA in which we need a word in which every 0 is immediately followed by double 1. So what will be the language? The language can be 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 comma 1 1 1 and so on. Why here can be 1 1 1? Because we need to control only every after 0 immediately followed by double 1. We do not need to control over 1. We need to control over after every 0 there should be double 1. So how we can draw it? Suppose we take Q0 as initial state and we make a transition of Q0 to Q1 0, and we make another transition from Q1 to Q2 1, and we make another transition from Q2 to Q1, because we immediately need double 1 after 0. So 0, 1, 1. That's why we make initial state as final state. Yes, it can be possible. We can make initial state as a final state. But after that, what is the condition? There is no condition, because we need to control over after 0, every 0 there should be immediately followed by double 1, and before that it can be anything. So we will put a loop of 1, which is already told you, loop like a star, can be any value, either 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 either can run or either cannot run. If it run, can be any time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, or if it will not run, then it is not work. Then what will the language? So language can be 0, 1, 1, or if it run 1 time, it means 1 doesn't run here, that's why only 0, 1, 1 we will get. If 1 run 1 time, then we will get 1, 1, and after that 0, 1, 1. Here if 1 will run 2 times, then we will get 1, 1, and after that 0, 1, 1, and again if it run, then 0, 1, 1. So in that way, or if suppose it doesn't run, it will start at Q0 and end at Q0, then what we will get? We will get either single 1 or either double 1 or either triple 1. It can be any number of 1. So this can become in this language also, because we need to control over after 0 only. But here no 0, then it can be any number of 1. So this is the DFA for that language. So here also this is initial state, and this is also final state. Initial state, final state, both are same. And what are the number of states we have in this? Q0, Q1, Q2. Alphabet is 0, 1 only, and these are the transition. From Q0 to Q1 we have 0, and Q1 to Q2 we have 1 transition. But according to that condition, what condition we have, we cannot go for every transition. From Q0 we have 0 transition and 1 transition, but in Q1 we have only transition for one string, but we don't have any transition for 0 string, because if we take that transition, then that transition will go to the dead condition, dead state, because in this condition that transition is not allowed. That's why if we take that transition for 0 for any state, suppose, then this will called dead configuration, or we can say dead state. Why it is dead state? Because that transition doesn't come under this condition. In the same way, from Q2 to Q0, the transition for 1 is happen, but for transition for 0 doesn't happen. So if we take that transition also, then the transition will also go to the dead state. So this is the final DFA.